Hi guys, we came across this Grade 2 listed abandoned house while on one of our walks and got chatting to a local about it. Among locals, they believe it to be haunted. No facts can be found on this as far as I've looked, but people think they have seen spirits in the attic. It was last purchased for $250,000 in 2017. It looked to be a complete renovation of the entire property, as all areas had been started. Locals say it was purchased by an Asian. They started work but just abandoned it one day. All supplies and tools have been left behind. Residents say it was down to it being haunted. I have searched and cannot find anything factual on this. Prior to 2017, a family owned the house since 1968. Prior to that, it was owned by doctors since the late 1830s, early 40s, and the side house was a surgery. It is thought it dates back to 1500s, however not registered until 1900s and Grade 2 list in 1978. God, is that you? You do get squatters in here apparently. There's loads of beer cans in there, so people clearly hang out here. Bonfires and stuff like that. It's a bit scary. I hate it when all the glass is broken like that. I wish people would knock the whole glass out. So yeah, that's the bit we just went in. It's quite thorny. I keep getting caught on the thorns. Jesus, there's loads of thorns and I'm not really dressed for thorns. That's the front. Can't see any ghosts at the moment. Are there any spirits? You with me? Done your bit of videoing? Should have just stuck to one. Ugh. Huh? Yeah, but well, he just stuck his head in.
Well, actually, want to go in there?
It's like tools and stuff here. Looks like they were working on it at some point. I guess people sleep in here at night. Be very careful where you put your feet because you can slip. There's loads of crap underneath there. Oh, what a shame though. What a waste. I guess I won't be going upstairs because there isn't one.
Oh my god.
I mean, people are always in here, and he said he came in here a week ago. Up for auction, starts at £10. Nice beams. Not onto crap now though. Oh my god, seriously, have I got to walk down that door?
There's a knife in the ceiling.
There's a what? Make sure that's not someone coming in. Okay.
There's a knife.
Yeah. Where?
A knife.
You're kidding. Okay. Hang on. Oh, there's something. Oh, there's a basement.
What?
Anyone here? To it, and that's just left and abandoned. I can't get in there. Front door.
Scary. How do people do abandoned?
So far. Oh my god. Kitchen. Why do people have to smash everything up? Don't get this. Please don't smash things up, people. It ruins it. Oh yeah, that's like, well, 60s, 70s, isn't it? That. Oh, it really stinks. Some of it's been burnt. Oh god. Okay, I'm not gonna. There's another door. Right, a nice door.
Front door, Jesus. You're really overgrown by the front door. You are not going up there.
Oh no, it's only going to look up there.
That's really dangerous, especially with the basement. Oh my
No, I'm just going to put the camera up there.
Oh my god.
It's all just rubbish up here anyway. I wouldn't go up there anyway because the floor's not safe. Just stairs are normally pretty solid. So yeah, some bedrooms and things like that, and then obviously you've got that. That's where they think they see the spirits, but it's obviously not safe at all. Oh, let's just look at my video. No, I don't want you, just in case.
You fall, who's one's got to get an animal?
I'm gonna fall. I just don't want to go through. I wouldn't take that sort of risk.
Someone falls in my really mad. Let me see.
Yeah, don't go on anything because just don't, because if that collapsed then you'd fall below. You don't want to do that.
Oh come on, I can't walk up the stair.
Only to that point where I went. I mean, you can't see down there really.
I can, I've got pictures.
Have you?
Oh,
Oh, pictures, yeah.